If you've opened a document in Word but you can't edit it, it's probably locked for editing by somebody or by a software feature. So let's look at how to remove a read-only status from a Word document so you can edit it. First, you can remove the read-only status from Word by disabling edit restrictions. We'll start off by disabling this built-in feature that lets users restrict their documents from being modified. If you or someone else has enabled this option for your current document, that's the reason you can't edit it. First, open the read-only document in Microsoft Word. When it opens, find the tab that says Developer at the top and click on it. You'll find several options to choose from on the following screen. Look for Protect at the top and click on the option that says Restrict Editing. A new pane will appear on the right hand side of the screen. There's a button at the bottom of this pane that's labeled Stop Protection. Click on the button to remove the read-only status from your Word document. If there was a password set up to restrict editing, you'll need to enter it first in the box shown on your screen, then click on OK to unlock the document. Now your document is no longer in read-only mode and you can modify its contents as much as you wish. The next solution is to use the Trust Center options to disable the read-only mode in documents. Trust Center is a feature in Word that blocks certain documents from being fully opened with editing capabilities on your computer. You can disable the feature in the program and that should fix the read-only issue you're facing with your document. First, launch MS Word on your machine and click File. At the bottom left corner of your screen you'll see Options. Click on it to open the standard Word settings menu. On the screen that follows, you'll find an entry saying Trust Center in the left sidebar. Click on it to open the Trust Center settings. Now you'll see a button saying Trust Center Settings on the right hand side pane. Click on it to open the settings menu. There will be several options in the left sidebar of your screen. Find and select the one that says Protected View. On the right hand side pane, you'll see 3 checkboxes that are enabled. Untick each of these boxes to prevent Word from opening your documents in Protected View mode. Then click on OK at the bottom to save your changes. Launch your document in Word and you should now be able to edit it. These are the 2 most common fixes for documents opening up in read-only mode in Word. But if you're still stumped, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.